Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that can arise when working on a script that generates chaotic solutions to a mathematical function. The problem we're facing is ensuring that a file, such as solutions.csv, maintains its integrity and isn't corrupted, especially if we interrupt the script while it's in the process of writing to the file. It's crucial to address this issue to prevent any data loss or corruption. Another aspect to consider is that our script is running in an infinite loop, meaning it won't terminate on its own. Now, let's delve into the solution to the problem at hand. One effective approach is to utilize a signal handler to set a flag, let's call it running, that controls the while loop. By setting the signal handler just before the print operation and resetting it afterward, we ensure that the current print operation completes before the loop exits due to a keyboard interrupt. This method maintains the integrity of solutions.csv, even if the script is interrupted abruptly. Additionally, using open as a context manager ensures that the file is closed correctly, even without an explicit f.close statement in our script. This solution provides a reliable way to handle interruptions while writing to the file. To wrap things up, we've addressed a crucial problem in our script by implementing a signal handler to manage interruptions gracefully during file writing. This solution not only safeguards the integrity of the output file, but also ensures that the script behaves predictably even when interrupted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!